What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out this electric spray gun. I found this on Amazon for $30. So how good can $30 be? Well, it was on sale. I got it during a little bit before Black Friday. So we're going to unbox her, we're going to open her up, we're going to test her out, and we're going to paint some stuff. So yeah, this is the CN 8000. Oh, this one says 7000, but if I turn it around, it says 8000. A little confusing, but yeah, let's go ahead and open her up and check her out. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna this little, it looks like a filter for your paint. So when you're pouring your paint into this machine, it looks like it filters it through for you. Comes with a little cleaner kit, little cleaner brush, and some gloves. Oh my goodness, they actually fit. But look at that, doesn't it look like her a kid? Look how small that is. Here's the gun part, and then this is what holds your paint. So we got like this nozzle, kind of adjust your spray size, I guess. Nozzle, pretty cool. In here, I'm pretty sure there's probably other tips. It comes with a little straw. Holy moly. All right, so got a couple of things. We got some O-rings. We got something that I just lost. Okay, so we got 4 total other tips here. Let's just open this nozzle up here. See how this works. Just unscrews. Can't seem to, okay, it just kind of wiggles off. Okay, that comes right off, and then there's the nozzle. I wonder what... So the orifices are bigger or smaller. The one that comes installed looks like the medium size. So we're gonna go ahead and keep the medium size on there. All you gotta do, it seems like there's like a little kind of divots here that fall into this channel. That goes like that, presses up against that. Also, it comes with this little pin here, so you can clean out your nozzle tips. So you can take your tip and have this little thing and kind of poke it out, get it cleaned out. This looks like it has a little grease on there. Okay, I'll go ahead and screw this on. Fancy, that looks like it's part of the trigger, and this just generates your air. So this can go in here so you can strain your paint. Today we're going to be using stain. It is a black satin kind of stain. It is kind of matte looking, but it is for exterior wood. So it is a little thick. It kind of feels, honestly, it has a consistency of regular house paint inside. So it is a little thick. You're gonna shake it up a little bit. This paint in there and get painting. It smells and looks like paints you would put on your walls in your house. So I guess let's try to pour some of this in here without spilling it, right? You could do your little tape trick if you want to, but if you just pour it really fast, you shouldn't spill anything. I have no idea how much this is going to use. Look, I mean, you can see how thick it is. Could have probably shook it up a little bit, but not gonna lie, this is gonna take forever if I do it like this. We'll fill this up halfway. I want to save some of this. We'll let this drain out, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out quick, so I will be right back. Spin this on. I did not read any of the instructions like you probably should, but whoa. Okay, pushes in, and then it has this button probably to release it. This is my firewood hut that we just built. It's not completely finished, but I think this will be a perfect job for seeing how this works. So let's go ahead and start spraying. I think we got power. Yeah, we do. Has quite a bit of energy. Power, should I say. And yeah, let's just see. Let's do a tester. happening? So I'm going to show you what I'm seeing here. You can see that, and then there's like some tabs, but it's not really going in correctly. Why doesn't it sit there? There. That's what it was. It wasn't seated all the way in. Yep, there, that's what it was. This old starting to come out now. Okay, there's an O-ring in here, and this wasn't seating properly, so that's what it was. But now it's spraying perfectly fine. Amazing. You guys saw I did all of that, all of the inside for the most part, the edge, with just a tank of this, whatever size that is. 20, I don't know what that stands for, but yeah. This thing's a beast, guys. Go get yourself one. I am excited to use this. I will continue to use this on most other projects, so really happy with this. So I just have water in this. We're cleaning it out. Just gonna keep spraying it for a little while. It should be good and cleaned out. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. That was the electric spray gun off of Amazon for 30 bucks. Funny enough, I don't know the actual name because this says on the box CN7000, but then when you turn it around, it says the CN8000. So I don't know what model this is. I will leave the link in the description below, the one that I bought from, so you guys will have it. You guys can click on that. But yeah, go check this thing out for 30 bucks, guys. This is a steal. Highly recommended. Highly recommended. Out of everything that I have shown so far, this thing has been super awesome. So, made my life a lot easier. It'll make your life a lot easier too. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.